Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is one of the videos on my weekly questions that I offer my private students, and this particular one is for year 13 pure maths students, and it's basically on parametric equations. So let's dive right in, and we are given in this particular question that x is equal to 4 cos theta and y equals 4 sin theta minus tan theta. And we need to show that the Cartesian equation is in the form of y squared equals 16 minus x squared followed by x minus 1 squared whole squared over x squared. So I would choose to start with my y equation. So y squared is 4 sin theta minus tan theta whole squared. And I'm going to expand this. So it will be y squared equals 16 sine squared theta plus tan squared theta minus 8 sine theta tan theta. Now, I would pause for a second and think about how I can manipulate this so that I end up getting cos theta. Okay, the reason why we are looking to change everything into cos theta or cos squared theta is essentially because x is in the form of 4 cos theta. Okay, so we need to replace everything in terms of x, and therefore I would aim to write everything in terms of cos theta. Okay, because that's the common factor or common trig function in this particular case. Okay, so what I can do to start off with is I can write down tan as sine over cos. Okay, so leave the rest exactly the way it is. Okay, so sine squared theta over cos squared theta minus 8 sine theta times by sine theta over cos theta. Now from here, I am going to have a single fraction. So I'm going to multiply my right hand side, the numerators by cos squared theta. So as to get 16 sine squared theta cos squared theta plus sine square theta minus 8. This becomes sine square theta followed by just 1 of the cos theta because there's already one cos theta in the denominator over there. So that's all over cos square theta. Now I would look into simplifying this slightly, and I can see that sine square theta is common in all the three terms, so I will take that out. So sine square theta followed by 16 inside the brackets cos squared theta plus 1 minus 8 cos theta. There we have it. And now from here, I will start to put everything in terms of, cos theta or cos squared theta so that I can replace it at the end. Okay, so I can see that sine squared theta can be written as 1 minus cos squared theta. And secondly, I can really simplify my bracket, this particular bracket, square bracket, and I can do so by understanding how quadratics work. Okay, and I've got 16 cos square theta, so that will be 4 cos theta squared. Okay, and then I've got the 1. Okay, so because there's a negative term over here, I must have a negative 1, and this is a expansion of a squared function. Okay, a double bracket. So this is what it simplifies to. Now, if you can't see it instantly, it's not the end of the world. You can replace first everything by x, okay, as much as possible, and then you will eventually see it, okay, because it's in a slightly more simplified form. But yeah, there's more than one way of going about it, okay? So let's go ahead and simplify this further. Now, everything is in terms of cos theta or cos square theta. So now I can look at my first equation, which is x equals 4 cos theta. All right, so if x is equal to 4 cos theta, then x over 4 equals cos theta. And if I need to square it, it can be done quite easily. So I'm just going to expand this now. I'm going to replace, and I'm going to have y squared equals 1 minus cos square theta, which is x squared over 16, okay, followed by 4 cos theta, which is exactly x, okay, so x minus 1 squared, all over cos square theta, which is again x squared over 16. So now from here, I can simply multiply everything by 16 so as to get rid of it from the denominator. So let's rub a bit of this off, the first line off, and the second line as well. All right, so Let's put that over here. So as I said, I'm going to multiply everything by 16. So y squared will become 16 minus x squared and x minus 1 squared. Okay, and that will be, I know it will be over 16, right? But if I'm multiplying everything by 16, it sort of cancels out. So anyway, I'm going to write it down as 16, and then x squared over 16. And now it will cancel out. Okay, the 16s cancel out, and it ends up giving me what I need. Y squared is equal to 16 minus x squared, x minus 1 squared, all over x squared. So there's your answer, and that's it. So this question can be done in many different ways potentially. I would love to hear from you if you have more than this. If you have some other ideas, please feel free to share them in the comments below. I hope you found this useful, and if you like it, please hit like and subscribe, and you'll find more questions like this on my YouTube channel. Thanks ever so much for watching.